So now this one needs way to normals. You can see the shading here. Or is it? Ah, it's not the normals, it's a lack of sharps. Here too. This one has to be come on. Not the one I wanted. This one can actually go. Oh no, this one is important. Both of them sharp, yeah. Now I remember. Okay, now should be peachy. Perfect. Smooth surface, nice, nice, nice. Now here we could create some kind of vents on top, you know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this one, right? And before we do anything, let's fix these lines because, good God, and I can't watch these edges like this, you know. It just gives me a heart attack. So I really need everything everything needs to be peachy. Otherwise, you know, I have headaches. This needs to be marked sharp. Come on, work with me. There we go. And we're going to rip it off and then P and then let's extrude it up. Same drill. And before we do that, actually, we should probably remove all this junk. So let's face it up. And right now, what's going on here? Yeah, this is not going to happen. What the hell? Clean this machine. Why is it sharpening these edges? It's so weird. What's the angle here? 30. Right. Now we're talking. No, we're not. What the hell? It's like double edges? Am I seeing things? What is this shading? Yep, double verts and everything. Okay. Let's tell you what. 3D print toolbox, make manifold. Nothing was removed. Okay, this is fascinating, but it's fixed something. So maybe do some non-manifold geo, because I think now it's okay. Yep, bevel works good. All right. So now let's do this, okay? Let's inset this face, all right? Come on, inset it. Right, like this, okay? And we're going to delete everything, right? Not verts, faces. And extrude it down, okay? And we're going to cut it. So, not this one, this one. Difference, right? Did it work? Come on, let's go to local. I think it's mirrored this way. Is it mirrored? Nope, it isn't. So it should work anyway. Let's cut this again, right? There we go. And let's scale it. Let's bring the origin to geo. There you go. And I have an idea. Let's solidify this and you know what, we're going to copy the modifier to the other side and not this one. Hide this and sharpen this, okay? And then in fact, no, do not sharpen this yet. Go to top view. Before do anything, we're just gonna run a line here because again, reasons. Now we can sharpen this. Perfect. Now we're going to select these two things and selection, and then make them into on faces, inset them, and then Control Q, click, make sure in orthographic, and we're gonna scale them. Whoops, on individual origins. Yep, and on X, and then we're gonna insert them. Extrude them, sorry. Right? Insert them some more and extrude them up. cool thing. And extrude them a bit higher, GZ. And I don't know if beveling is safe with all these. Drop the bevel a bit. There you go. Nice, just add some kind of like a vent on top or something, you know. Bit of a detail. And now on the back, the very back, we will need something too. All these, you know, they're gonna need some small details of screws, but you know, we can all add this with what I call them, decals. We're gonna bevel this one. This is mirrored. You can already see it's mirrored, so we're gonna do it from this side. Come on. Yep. Let's bevel this like this. It's gonna be a bit better, I think. Yes. Less crazy. And we could also create some. We're in a box mode, meaning we could just do some cuts in here. One more maybe could do. Yeah, this would do. That's actually pretty cool. And of course we will need to run some lines in here, so one more here. I think just eyeball this. I hope it's gonna fit. Nope. So move it, GG here. Right, and then split it. Oh, come on, split this one. And move this one here. GG. Move a little bit further. Should be fine. So, not bevel, sharpen. There we go. And sort it. Now. Gonna cut this one as well and bring this up. Mouse scroll toggle. And select it, go to top view, Control Q, rotate it. And we're going to align it with the side here. Right, perfect, hide it. Nice. And does this one have weighted normals? Maybe. Now this one, right? So let's yeah, before we do anything, let's select this one and let's connect it with knife so I can sleep better at night. Seeing this one just makes me anxious. Not faces. There we go. I wish there were like voice commands in Hardups, you know? This would be amazing, no? Imagine that. Dissolve edges and boom, gone. Make me coffee. Boom, done. Be fantastic. Let's scale this a bit and then we're gonna remove all this junk before, you know, disaster happens again. Easy, and extrude it and close it. And close the bottom as well. Same drill, move it down, sharpen it. Let's check everything is fine. In fact, the best way to check it if you can bevel this. If you can bevel this, yeah, cancel it. Good. Now Shift D and scale, and not scale it. Select this and difference, right? In fact, you know what? We can just simply solidify this, you know. Let's enjoy life. So how are we looking? Let's remove this. Yeah, this is good. And we're gonna have like a vent in here or something, you know. We can easily drop a decal on this one, so we don't have to do any crazy modeling. Just we can separate this one, right? And change the bevel on this one. So wait, something is changing with it. There we go. Right, and create, you know, what do you call them? Chamfer here. Yep. And change this bevel to something smaller so it's a bit more aggressive and metal-like. Yeah, it's pretty good. And this could be deeper, you know, a little bit like this, right? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think so, or maybe higher. I don't know. Can't decide. Maybe higher is better. Yeah, higher is better. That's pretty cool. Nice. Okay, so, you know, save it because work. And we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking real good. All these things could be decaled in here, so we don't have to worry about it. You can do amazing stuff with decals, guys, like you wouldn't believe, you know. There's a great video from Machine, I mean two of them, for both 1.9 and 2.0 releases, and if you see that geo, like, that he used for these, for those trailers, that's insane, you know. Like, seriously crazy. There is a bevel running over here, but let me guess, these are not being beveled because they look a bit weird. So select these. Why I cannot select them? There we go. Select this edge down to here, mark it. Now you're talking. Now that's beveled, right? Is it? I think this is flipped normals. Yep. Okay. Select everything, and in fact no. Select these, right? There you go, and then flip it, Alt N, flip outside. This should fix it. Should is the keyword. Let's see that. Face orientation. This one's fine, being inside, outside, good. So now what we need to do is return back to normal view. In fact, you know what? You can switch this crazy view off, okay? So let me show you something cool. So when you go to themes and viewport, you can go to face orientation, which is where is it? Face orientation front here, and change this one to there you go, alpha, right? And save preferences. And now if you go into do this, you see you can only see flipped faces, which is a little bit less, you know, eye-poking. Yeah, you could even work like this, you know, if you do some strategic cuts. Anyway, a bit of a tip for you guys. I like using this. In fact, I don't know, I think I forgot to mark this. We need to unmark these because I don't know if this is weighted. I mean, what's the bevel here? Weight, right? So we definitely need to remove these. Yeah, these cannot be, you know, included. So here you go, and mark. Unfortunately, this will unmark this one, but we're gonna go with shift tilde and mark these back. Yeah, so this should help us a lot with shading. There is a shading problem in here. I can see, mark, there we go, mark. We gotta fix all these, yeah, otherwise we're gonna have problems with shading, and it will look really bad in renders. So same here, you see, all these edges gotta be fixed, otherwise you're gonna get pulling on all corners. Yeah. So same here, we're going to select all these and okay, come on, select these and then unmark this, right? And then shift tilde and mark these, and you should be fine. Let's check around. What's going on in here? I think that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. We could try to, you know, chamfer these, you know. I mean, who's gonna stop us, right? So, let's see if we can do this. I mean, let's grab these first and see if this is gonna work. Oh, hell yeah. Let me see that. Oh, yes. Oh, definitely we're gonna chamfer these. Okay, then. Select everything. Select everything. And okay, this one and this one. Oh, which way does it go? Did it go the other way? Okay, this one too. We could, you know, technically mirror this, but I don't know. I just enjoy selecting, I suppose. These are not even marked yet, which is an outrage. So it marked everything, and then let's chamfer it. Yeah. Not too much, maybe, just a little bit. Yeah, something like that. Much better. Much better. No comparison. Mark these for sure. And what's going on here? This is weird, you see, this one. I don't know, this is this face is like twisted in a very weird way. I don't know if there's some kind of a double what's going on in here? Let me delete this face. Ah, it's a double face. Did you see that? Sneaky bastard. Wait a minute, what the hell is going on in here? It's the flip faced. Wait a minute, what is happening here? Is this mirrored to the other side? Oh, it's mirrored from here to the other side. Right. Okay. Pennies dropped. Alright, so you know, let's inspect it because we're not going to be doing much with it yet. It's a beautiful piece, no? One piece, kind of impressive job that we've done. Okay, fine. So now you know this. You see, it's gonna catch a bit more lights. Nice, 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 nice. We're gonna do the same thing with this one then, because why not? This is mirrored. Good. So let's grab this and let's do the same thing. Now this is gonna be probably a bad idea with this thing going on here, so we're going to move it down. Also, what on earth is happening here? Yeah, this is not gonna work. Not H, I mean, come on. J. Maybe this is gonna work. Yes, and this is better. And also here we need to, you know, do something like this. And before we commit, let's actually drop this here, okay? Have to be on the safe side, you know. Here. Alright, we need to fix this a little bit here because I can see that, you know, we have issues. We have issues, man. Gotta fix the issues, man. Move it in here. Remove these two. This is fine. Let's go. This one is not even marked sharp. Blasphemy. So let's select these, and the other ones we're gonna do separately. So let's mark these and chamfer them. And disaster. Okay, what we're gonna do is this, right? We're going to align here in ortho, And we're going to run an angon through this area, and we're gonna change it to knife. Okay, so now let's deselect, let's deselect it manually because it's gonna be easier. Deselect these, and I think the rest should be fine. Nope. Actually, no, these gonna be fine. And then GG and move them to the left. Yep. This should solve this problem here. You see, this one is not a good idea, so we're gonna do it like this and remove these. Okay. I don't know what it's doing here. You don't need it. Now these probably could be a little bit lower, a bit, and not much. And now we could most likely run a mark here. And now you see that we're already getting problems from angles, such small angles. It's because the bevel on this geo is quite big. Yeah. So even if you're gonna do something like this, we're probably gonna have to move things around. Yeah. In this case, what I would do is probably do something like this and completely skip this edge here and switch it from here to here. I'm probably gonna be fine, or not. This is very steep, so I would probably run another edge here to support this and break this angle in half. And even though we did that, see this red line? That's the indication of bevel being too big. There you go. Got a shading problem in here. I wonder why. That's fascinating, this one. That doesn't really look good, guys. That doesn't look good. I have an idea. Maybe we're gonna get away with a pole. I was a pole all my life and I got away with it. Huh, we did. See? This is just weird here. Something is not right here, you know. GG, move it out. Maybe this should be ran like this. No, this will do nothing. Okay, let's leave it. There's nothing I can do about it. I don't think this is weight based, you know. Let me see this. Weight based. Fascinating. Do we really want this headache? You know what? I have a better idea. Let's go back. I mean, we don't have to go back. We can just remove the chamfer. I forgot we have what you call this thing? The wonderful machine. Mesh machine, that's the one. Unchamfer, bingo. And simply mark it, you know, mark it sharp, yeah? Now, I think the problem here is that it literally, this bevel is just too close. Yeah, see? It's just the bevel is too big. So nothing you can do about it. And maybe these edges are too close, something. No, this is a mystery, man. Let's run 3 through this one. Nothing. What the hell is going on here? It's like too dense or something. No, yeah, kind of. This one is curious, man. In any case, what we could do is recall the cutters, right? Which will cause a few heart attacks. On the other side, I think. And wait a minute. Hang on. it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's a cutter. Oh, these have been moved. Right. So the only way to do this would be to simply select these. Just turn these cutters off, man. And select all that. Right, and then Shift D and make it bigger, but we will need to go to local. Right, so selection, and then what we need to do is split this one and this one, select them both, Shift Geo to, nope, Origin to Geo, there you go. Now make them bigger, Shift Y, so make them bigger on every but Y, and SZ and make them larger this way. And now we're going to extend them this way, and we're going to select the faces, so everything, and we're going to solidify them. So in fact we don't need to do this one, we can do it this way. Operations and not operations, modifier, solidify, right? Outside, yep, and no difference. Sharpen, and remove the bevel and weight it normal, and remove the bevel on the mirror, right? It's okay, we can do it later. Now what we could do is, in fact that's too freaking wide. Sorry, let's go back one more time, and right, so select them both and modifier, solidify, just, you know, a little bit, yeah. This should do, maybe even too much. Something like that, maybe, you know, and difference. Yeah, see? That's pretty cool, no? This pretty cool, no? Yeah, man. These are dope. These are dope. Sharpen. Aftermath fun. Yikes. Okay, combine these two. Come on. Edge, dissolve, edge, dissolve, edge, dissolve, sorted. This edge needs to be run differently, like this. Dissolve. Gucci. This one is some disaster here. I can see why. J. Dissolve. This face is way too small. Combine it. Sort it. Combine it like this. Dissolve. Wait, what? There you go. Edge too close. Okay, this one is too steep. Move it up. Let's do it properly, shall we? You know what? I would actually leave this. I know it sounds weird, but this kind of supports this thing, so let's leave it. This one gonna go, and we good. And this one needs to close. It's too far. Move it just a little bit, you know. Ouch. Did we fix it? Nope. Yeah, this gotta be fixed. Maybe it's because of this triangle there. Let's do this and try to remove these. Yep, fixed. Now, this one, I'm not surprised that you have issues, mate. I would have issues too if I look like this. Don't know if I should keep this one. Probably should. Maybe something like this, you know. Come on. Maybe. This is disaster in making. How about we're gonna do this? Nope. Same here. It should be combined. You know, what we could do, right, is the reduce the bevel on these. So that's probably what we're gonna do. See, like this flipped normals function really helpful, no? And set to red, just to red. I think this will work. Oh my god, this is a disaster here. It's set to weight too, man. Like, what the hell is going on? Maybe the bevel is too small. Introduce more segments, yeah? Hang on. Bevel. Press H. Introduce more segments. Yeah, like 7 or something. I think there's a segment issue. Or even 5, you know. This could be combined, but needs to be, yeah, something like that. This one is a disaster, so let's fix it. This one is a problem, and so is this one. Well, this should be fine. What the hell? Why am I getting this nasty? Maybe try this. Oh, come on. You know, we're gonna just change the bevel because that's insane over there, man. This we could run here easily and remove this. This is too steep still? Come on. Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. Oh, maybe it's too big. Why am I getting this pull from here? Are you freaking serious right now? Come on. There we go. The bevel is just too huge. It's overshooting. Ah. I was so close I couldn't see what the hell is going on. Sometimes you have to see things from a different perspective. Alright, so now let's grab these two, okay, because, you know, Tempus Fugitive, and let's you know, decrease this crazy bevel here a little bit, and we definitely need to fix this because something is not right there with this one, okay? Cool. This is a little bit too shallow. It needs to be a bit more supple, yeah. Need to kind of fit more or less the ambience. Oh, we did a pretty nice job, if I may say so. Let's save it. And yeah, just adds a bit more interest to these, you see? It's pretty cool. Okay, so, you know, if you don't like it, you can always remove them. But I think it looks pretty dope. What we could do is we could actually scale them, you know? Like this, SY. Scale them in. Have it kind of sunk in a little bit, yeah, you know. That's pretty cool too, right? So anyway, this would do, and okay, that looks good. Everything's peachy. All right, we could introduce some cuts in here too, just, you know, for the hell of it. I mean, this structure is so massive that which one is copied where? Is this one mirror to the other side? rotate it a bit. SX. I mean SY, sorry. And apply rotation and the radius on X. Oh, really no. Never mind, don't apply rotation. Right, and sharpen. Awesome. Cool. Looking cool. So we got this head sorted more or less, but we still need eyes. Okay, so in next one what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the eyes and add some kind of a devices here. So catch you next video, guys.